Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And we'll also share with you the multiple work from home job opportunities which you can make and you can apply today itself, right? So let me share those details with you, and all the details will be shared in the first comment as well. So you can apply from there. And before we start, let me tell you about the free webinar that we are going to have on the upcoming weekend. So on 25th of July, 11 a.m. IST onwards, we would be having a free webinar, and uh, you would be able to know how you can leverage AI agents to do the automation testing, whether it is creating the scripts from the scratch, whether it is updating the scripts, maintaining the scripts, running the scripts. Everything can be done using agents itself, right? So we are going to see about this agents on 25th of July, Saturday, 11 a.m. IST is the time. So please do register for this particular webinar, and you can also join our WhatsApp community for free bonus resources. Now, let me share the job opportunities with you. Okay. So, Capgemini is hiring for automation testers, and the role is for SDET. They are looking for Playwright with TypeScript, Selenium with Java, then API testing, JMeter, Azure DevOps, and CI/CD, Git, and microservices testing. So, responsibilities are designing and building scalable automation frameworks, automate UI, API, and end-to-end test scenarios, perform functional regression and cross-browser testing, collaborate with agile teams to ensure quality delivery. So this is the application link wherein you have to apply. Then Akamai Technologies is also hiring for multiple IT opportunities. One is for automation tester. Location is Hyderabad, and the notice period is immediate. Joiners are preferred. Skills required are Python, robot framework, framework creation, Jira, Agile, right? All of these things. Then there is one more requirement for automation tester, and the location is Mumbai, and the experience required is 6+ years. So they are looking for somebody who can join in a week. So you can send your resume to this email address. Then there is a requirement for a QA engineer, manual plus automation. Location is Gurgaon. Experience required is 4 to 5 years. Joining is for immediate joiners. And if you're interested, you can share your resume to this particular email address itself, right? They are looking for somebody who has got expertise in manual testing and has got familiarity with automation testing, should have strong hands-on experience in manual testing, good understanding of automation testing, experience in test planning, test case creation, execution, ability to work in an agile development environment. Then there's a requirement for a position of a QA lead, software quality engineering, automation, manual, and AI enabled. And they are looking for somebody who can join immediately again, and you can share your profiles to this email address. The location is Bangalore. The requirement is for 8 to 10 years of QA experience, strong automation plus manual testing expertise, Agile, Scrum, API testing, SQL knowledge, then Selenium or Playwright or Cypress. See, these days, in most of the job opportunities, you would see that they are looking for Playwright, right? So maximum to maximum, what you can do is definitely you have to learn Playwright, but make sure that you are giving the matured answers when are being asked in an interview. Because if you don't give matured answers, they'll feel you've just watched some videos and you've come for the interview. So you have to give your answers in a matured manner. You have to give your answers in a proper manner that you are able to justify that you have experience in Playwright. Okay. Then CI/CD, GitHub and AI tools, performance testing, microservice testing, ISTQB certification is required, and you should have experience in scaling the QA teams, right? Again, then UST is hiring for test manager role, and the number of years of experience they are looking is for 16 to 20 years, and they are looking for an experienced test manager, QA manager who can drive the test strategy and governance, QA team leadership, resource and capacity planning, automation strategies required, right? And these are the domains that they are looking for: telecom deliverable, telecom supply chain, telecom financials, and billing, right? So you can share your resume to this email address. Then there's a requirement for a QA again, and this is with respect to Pune, Maharashtra. The requirement is for 2 to 5 years of experience. They are looking for immediate joiners. Key skills required is manual testing, API testing, functional regression testing, test case design and execution, SQL database testing, bug tracking, right? So these are the important things. And this walk-in drive is going on. It is still 24th of July. So you can send your resume to this email address, right? With an email subject as application walk-in test engineer, and they'll definitely give you a call. Then there's a requirement for the location Pune. Again, there are multiple opportunities at KPIT company. They are looking for somebody who has got experience in AI, then creating multi-agent systems, RAG, MCP, context engineering, LLM fine-tuning, Python, Neo4j, then full stack technical lead opportunities also there. So these are all the different opportunities with the KPIT company. They are looking for somebody who has got strong hands-on on Playwright automation. Then Jira, test strategy, somebody who can lead the team, somebody who can guide the team, somebody who can mentor the team, right? So these are the details. Automotive domain is mandatory for this company, right? So these are few of the requirements for the testers. Work from home is also available. So I'll share that detail also with you. Right. So there is a requirement for a QA manager role, which is a complete remote role. The company name is Multidots, as you can see in the screenshot. Location is India, can work from anywhere. It's a full-time job. If they are looking for QA manager who can work remotely with them. So these are few of the details for the testing jobs, for the work from home jobs, the remote jobs, and the work from office jobs. And apart from that, we do have a free webinar which is there on 25th of July, 11 a.m. IST onwards. So do attend this webinar, and you'll get to know how agents can be helpful to you, how as an automation tester you can leverage AI for its use, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.